Go in the peace of Christ. Thanks be to God.
There's one thing that God wants everybody to
Cecil, kamera ka muna.
Hindi na.
Hindi, basta nakaready na yan.
Hindi ko na ipopost ha.
Kamera ako.
Pero gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, kayong mga nakatito sa kapatid, for everybody who saw my brother from the hospital. You know, so I was by my brother's side from the day he was hospitalized. And in the morgue. I couldn't believe but my eyes saw it. My sister-in-law, my cousins, and Mrs. Pooley. My brother had a lot of scars from his face due to the disease. But when he was dressed, and he was so thin when he died. But when he was dressed, my brother looks exactly like this. It's like he didn't suffer, he didn't have any disease, or para po siyang hindi nagkasakit. Nawala yung mga peklat sa mukha kung anong itsura niya dito. Ganun po siya. Para maburat sa isipan niyo kung ano yung nakita niyo sa kanya nung nasa hospital siya. Dahil ito siya ngayon dito sa loob. Masaya po siya. Maliit. Payapa, nakangiti. Namin. Nasaan yung bulaklak? Nasaan yung mga bulaklak? Hindi yan.
Πάμε. Κυρία Νοεμή, πάμε. Κύριε Τσόη, πάμε. Ο Νοέλ έφυγε τώρα. Πάμε.
Tapos tilapakan nila. Sa lupa niya siya.